I don't know.
Okay, you check your side, I'll check mine.
Where am I on your side?
Go left on mine.
I can't go left.
You're full width off. Just go next to it.
Oh, it's so nice with the window open.
I know. Already. Wow, this is really nice.
Oh man, that's great.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is dry.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, then why did I do that?
Oh, I thought you were bottomed out.
That was a mistake.
Holy smokes, dude.
Okay,
The amount of mud
that was unplanned. I thought I could.
You hit this one?
I thought no, not straight. I thought I could cradle that line, but
Yeah, I think you're too wide for that.
yeah.
This one's really good out. Dude, this trail has got so beat since we moved here. This is kind of incredible how fun this thing works. Like in the mud, it's just like nothing there. You can almost like idle through.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's mucky though.
Oh, I see those huge fucking ruts.
I think we just like a
I gotta go slow though at first, I think.
slows the way. We have a tree right there.
Oh, Gims looks easier.
I don't know, there's a big stick right here.
Is there?
Yeah, you got it. Dude!
Yeah,
Oh, we're gonna make it. I thought we could never cross here.
Well, I've never tried actually in the summer though.
No, me either. We got to that spot and I was like, I don't know, I thought there was a workaround, but that wasn't bad at all. Do you remember this spot last time we were here?
Oh, is this where I got stuck?
Where you got stuck because you were like, I think you went with not enough momentum.
Holy fuck!
It's really soft there.
Holy
We
shit!
were like this.
Really soft there.
That is really soft. No, I don't want to get stuck.
That's not even bad.
What?
That doesn't even look that bad.
Oh. It's pretty deep at the end.
I don't know. You could probably go slow here anyway.
Oh, okay. This isn't as bad as I remembered.
The winter, it's always scary.
Yeah.
That's a wild feeling to be on this side.
Yeah.
Wait until we go up it.
Holy fuck.
Let's take a walk.
Not as bad as I thought it was, that is.
park her right here. What?
Two-leg drive.
Yeah. Feeling good. I don't know if I should let him pass me. Okay, hold on, Kenzie.
Where can we get dynamite? Oh, that's why you put me in the hole.
Yeah. Oh, well, no. I slid into the hole.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. Go ahead, brother. He was what?
He's in 2.
Oh.
Look at how much it's spraying.
Oh, jeez.
He's leathery. Now he's having fun.
That doesn't look that bad. Should we just send it?
Send it. Momentum.
Yeah. Oh, we immediately get sucked, dude. I was maybe 50% throttle.
Like butter.
I almost got out avoiding that.
Dude, I love driving like that. Just like having as much fun as you can.
Wait, what?
I just love driving and having as much fun while driving.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm going to see what Gim does. Oh.
4-wheelers are still significantly later.
I know. I don't think we need this. We can leave it open. Oh, that looks like nothing, dude. That looks way worse.
That's like nothing.
Keep my distance with Oliver.
Dude, you should be in 2-wheel drive right now.
I guess.
More right, maybe?
What?
Yeah, you definitely don't want to be more right than this.
Yeah, no. Okay, now we can go in 2-wheel drive. Yeah, I can do that too.
Now fleecing.
What?
Fleece floor. Oh, you gotta get ahead of Oliver, dude.
But under my bed, dude. Now I gotta really pressure wash it. In 2-wheel drive?
Is it feeling different?
No, feels fine.
Dude, this thing's amazing. This is incredible. This is 2-wheel drive?
Yes!
It doesn't feel like
I didn't even spin! What, do that?
2-wheel drive for sure. Oh, I think we go this side.
Should I go straight?
Yeah, I mean, maybe in 4 though.
What?
Maybe in 4.
Yeah. Should I go to... I'm gonna go to the left though.
Like you're gonna offset yourself?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that would have been easy.
You would have been alright.
It's right here in the muck.
My dad's like, what the fuck?
Oh my god, that's too low! What?
That's all you're low.
Yeah. We're got 2 steps.
Man, it wasn't hard to beat you, Hole.
I let you win. Come on.
Shit, fuck.